What if I told you that we humans could live forever? People have always been fascinated by the idea of living forever. We've tried everything from magic potions to cryogenics in our quest for immortality. But now, scientists are exploring cutting-edge technologies and new approaches to help us live longer and healthier lives. We're making incredible progress in the field of longevity research, and we've only just begun. What's up? It's your boy, The Ultimate Rage, coming back with another video. Before we continue, make sure you follow your boy, The Ultimate Rage, at The Ultimate Rage 9 and The Ultimate Rage 079 on TikTok. And make sure you follow me everywhere else: Twitter, Facebook, IG, YouTube, Reddit, and Snapchat at The Ultimate Rage. Also, don't forget to check out the Ultimate Rage Outrageous EP, available on all streaming platforms: Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, Amazon Music. Pretty much wherever there's music, I'm there. Lastly, new music coming soon from me and the guys, the OD9 All-Stars. Anyway, back to your regularly scheduled program. CRISPR can help us target genes involved in aging and all sorts of diseases. The CRISPR method, short for cluster regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. Yeah, I know that's a mouthful. CRISPR is a revolutionary gene editing technique that allows scientists to make precise changes to DNA sequences in cells. This method uses a CRISPR-associated protein called Cas9, which can be programmed to target specific genes within the cell's DNA sequence and then cut and edit them with precision. CRISPR technology has the potential to impact human longevity in several ways. By using CRISPR to edit genes that are associated with aging and all sorts of diseases, scientists can potentially develop new therapies and treatments to extend our lifespan and improve our quality of life. Here are some applications of CRISPR. 1. Reducing susceptibility to diseases. CRISPR can be used to edit specific genes that are associated with age-related diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. By doing so, CRISPR could potentially reduce the risk of developing these diseases, which could increase our lifespan and improve our quality of life. 2. Reversing the effects of aging. Researchers are exploring the possibility of using CRISPR to reverse the effects of aging by restoring cells to a more youthful state. This could potentially reduce the risk of age-related diseases and improve our overall health and longevity. And I know I'ma need that, because as I've gotten older, my knees have been killing me. So please, let's come on with this CRISPR stuff, man. Number 3, enhancing immune system function. CRISPR can be used to edit genes that control the immune system, potentially increasing its effectiveness and reducing the risk of infection and disease. That means STDs can now be a thing of the past. So hit my line, showdays, hit my line. Number 4, improving organ function. CRISPR could be used to edit genes involved in organ function, potentially improving the lifespan and function of organs such as the heart, lungs, and liver. That's great news because I'm a smoker and I know it's not good for my lungs, but with CRISPR, who knows? Speaking of which, number 5, treating mental health and addictive behavior. University of Chicago researchers Xiaoyang Wu and Ming Xu have developed a technique using the CRISPR method to harvest and modify skin cells, which are then reimplanted in patients via skin graft to produce molecules that reduce addiction and anxiety. This process might be expensive, but considering the cost of squares these days, especially here in Cook County, it might actually be worth it low-key. Overall, CRISPR technology holds enormous potential to positively impact human longevity. However, it's important to proceed with caution and to carefully consider the ethical and social implications of gene editing. Some of these potential risks include: 1. Off-target effects. The CRISPR-Cas9 system has the potential to make unintended changes to the genome, which can have negative consequences for human health. Imagine getting therapy to treat your poor eyesight, only to wake up with a giant nose looking like Pinocchio or something. That's why it's important to carefully design and test CRISPR-Cas9 treatments to minimize the risk of off-target effects. 2. Ethical considerations. The use of the CRISPR-Cas9 system to edit the human genome raises a number of ethical considerations. As I mentioned in part 1 of the series, it's possible that in this plutocratic oligarchy of America, the bourgeoisie, the 1%, can have exclusive access to these treatments and therapies. This could lead to a world being run by designer super babies. Imagine being subjected to the rule of Homelander from The Boys. That would really suck, just putting it lightly. As such, it's important to carefully consider the ethical implications of using CRISPR-Cas9 to enhance human longevity. 3. Regulatory concerns. The rapid pace of research in the field of CRISPR-Cas9 has raised concerns about the need for clear regulatory frameworks to ensure that this tech is used in a safe and a responsible manner. How should these therapies and tech be rolled out? Who should have access? Who should be held responsible if something goes wrong with any particular modification? Should access to CRISPR tech be considered a human right? And then, how far do we go in terms of modification? Because low-key, I might actually want to be able to glow in the dark or grow blue facial hair. You feel what I'm saying? Lastly, the societal effect. How will our communities be impacted once CRISPR technology has become mainstream? Will some people engage in riskier, more dangerous, or more vindictive behaviors as a result of improved health? Will there be increased discrimination against people who refuse to undergo these treatments? Is it possible that the poor will be priced out from these therapies? Could CRISPR actually lead to new health problems or some other kind of unintended consequence in the long term? Just being honest, I think the risk is worth it. Cause if it means having eagle eyes, spider silk skin, and no fear of genetic diseases, I'm good with that. Unfortunately, my uncle passed away from Lou Gehrig's disease, and it was a terrible experience watching him wither away, suffering from this disgusting condition. If we can remove these kinds of rare genetic diseases from the human gene pool and also be able to treat people who have these conditions, I have no doubt that it would greatly enhance our quality of life as a society, so long as we make these treatments available for everyone, not just the 1%. These are complex questions that we need to start thinking about now. Longevity is a powerful tool, so we need to make sure that it's used responsibly. The future of longevity is uncertain, but what's clear is that it's a topic that we all need to be talking about. As we continue to make progress in this field, we need to make sure that we're doing it in a way that benefits all of us as human beings. All of these technologies and approaches have the potential to significantly extend human lifespan and improve our quality of life as we age. So, the next time someone tells you that living forever is impossible, tell them that science says otherwise. Stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, stop with the cap! Come on, people! Come on! If you like this video, make sure you hit that like and that follow. Follow me, The Ultimate Rage, at theultimaterage9 and theultimaterage079 here on TikTok. And follow me everywhere else at The Ultimate Rage. Thank you for checking me out. Holla at your boy. Peace out.